Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads. Today I'm just going to show you a little product spotlight on some of our Christmas earring kits. These are super cute little crystal kits to make you ready for the holiday. So again, these earring kits are really simple. They just comprise of some beads, head pins, and ear wires. I wanted to show you how to easily turn over the wire and to make these kits in case you're not great at wire working. They really just kind of go from the smallest bead to the biggest bead, kind of working their way down. We have 3 different earring kits in the trees, as well as one of the packages. The packages consist of an 8mm Swarovski cube, along with a rondelle, a little cute bow, as well as a bicone on top. They sit on a head pin and then with the stainless steel ear wires. Same with the little Christmas trees. They sit on a 3mm cube of Miyuki seed bead. They have the little marguerite beads with a 3mm crystal on top. The same for the crystal ones as well. They sit on a nice little cube with 3 crystals and then one little red bead on the top of the tree to go along with that. The one that I'm going to demonstrate for you is the vintage tree. I think this one is really cute, and this is new this year in our Potomac Bead Company line. So the Christmas kit comes in a little bag with all the materials needed to make the kit itself. We have our 2 head pins, our 2 ear wires, and our multiples of beads here. So I'm going to separate out the beads. The easiest thing to do when it comes to you is to separate it out into 2 piles. That way you know you have 2 earrings ready to go. Again, I have 2 head pins and I have some pliers next to me. I have a wire cutters as well as a round nose pliers. On the head pin, I'm going to simply stack the tree. We start out with the crystal base, then with the biggest marguerite bead here, then with the next size, then with the emerald, the peridot, and we top it with our crystal star. Once we get all these fun kind of vintage Swarovski marguerites on here, I like to do 2 earrings at the same time. So I'm going to go in and actually do each step with both earrings. That way you make sure that your ear wires and your earrings hang the same distance when you're kind of getting ready to finish them off. So going on again, it's a tree. So you're going from the biggest bead to the smallest bead, working your way up along the design. From here then, we're going to pick up our pliers and kind of get ready to make our eye pin at the top. If you do want to see a more detailed video, we have plenty of wire working videos for you to become an expert at doing the coiled eye pins. Whether or not you want to do a coiled eye pin along the top, or if you just want to do a simple turned over eye pin, you can do that as well. I'm going to demonstrate how to do the coiled eye pin, which is why we left a lot of wire at the top of the actual eye pin. I want to grab about 1/8 of an inch there above the ear wire, or above the crystals rather, kind of pushing them down towards the base. Turn that over with my round nose pliers towards the front of the pliers. Take the wire over the top of the round nose pliers till it touches the crystal on the other side. From there, rotate in your hands 90 degrees so that what was the top jaw of the plier now becomes the bottom jaw of the plier. Take your wire back to a 90-degree turn, and then you have your eye pin on the top of your tree. We left extra space there so that way we could take this wire and coil it around the top of the tree. This is going to allow you to have it be completely closed off, so that way it's not going to open up at all, which is how a lot of earrings get lost. Once you have that coil, take your cutters with the flat side facing down, cut off that extra little piece of wire. From there then, you're going to take your ear wire, and these are stainless steel ear wires, kind of open them up by pushing them to the side, or you can go up through the back of the design. Go up through the back of the design, let the tree drop in to the ear wire there, grab with your pliers, and just pinch it nice and closed. There you have one of your trees ready to go, and you just have one more to make along to the design. Again, I'm going to go in here. A lot of times I'll even do that first turn at the same time. Do one, sit it down, do the other. That way I know that my tree is sitting and has the same amount of space above that loop. Go ahead and then coil the extra wire around the top of the tree. Cut off any extra wire that you may have. with the wire cutters, and then from there, put it onto the ear wire and close it up. Again, we have a variety of Christmas sets and holiday earrings that you can choose from. Now I'm ready for the holidays that I have my vintage earring kit on here. And again, if you need any of these kits, we'll link to them below the video. You can also share what you've made for your little Christmas kit ideas. We also have others to choose from that we introduce and kind of make new ones each year and have fun getting ready for the holiday season. As always, if you like this too, you can give us a little thumbs up, comment below and let us know, as well as give others ideas that happen to be watching this video with what you're making for the holidays that are coming up. You can always subscribe to this YouTube channel to get regular updates from us when we do product spotlights, new video designs, and give you a heads-up look at some of the new products that are on the market. As always with all these designs, if you get a chance to make the fun vintage trees, package, or traditional looking Christmas trees, have fun creating and getting ready for the holiday season.